What's up guys, Wilson here and welcome to our latest vlog. What we have here today are two Porsche Taycans. One is my 4S and this one is the brand new Porsche Taycan GTS. Both of these are Volcano Grey, but as you can see the difference is one has satin guard and this one we just finished with a full body ClearGuard Alpha PPF installation. So let's take you back to some quick clips of our work and at the end I'll show you the results. Alright, so that was a quick look at our work, and what you see here is the completed product. A full body custom ClearGuard Alpha PPF installation on this brand new Taycan GTS. And as you can see, ClearGuard Alpha is the best gloss, best clarity paint protection film in this industry. And when placed onto this car, you can see how much gloss it really brings out. Now, every single panel is a custom installation with one single sheet per panel to make it as seamless as possible. And as you can see, the end result is a car that does not look like there's any paint protection film on there at all. So here we have it guys. I want to thank you for watching another one of our videos, and until our next one, please stay tuned and I'll see you later.